Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be walking you through how to create a calendar with the new grid system upgrade in Figma. So let's get started. As you can see, I started out by adding a frame and I go ahead to resize to 1080 by 1080 pixel because I will be working with a square for this calendar. I click on select grid and I select a grid of 7 by 7. I go ahead to add a padding of 10 on every side of my square. After that is done, I'm going to type in my text. Like, you can choose whatever month you want to use for this calendar. For this video, I will be using January. I'm making January bold by scaling it up. I also added auto layout to the text. I moved on to type the days of the week. I only typed Monday and I resized it. I go ahead to reduce the space in between. When I'm done with that, I add auto layout. Text to days and I make a duplicate for the dates. I want to go ahead to change the background color for my dates. I think I'm good with this. I also go ahead to change the color of my text for the month and the days to black since we have a white background for our calendar. Now I drag January and you can see that it just fits in. I moved in one day to the first box. And I feel so it fits perfectly into that grid. I go ahead to duplicate it, and easily I was able to duplicate that. I proceed to put the actual name of the days, Monday to Sunday. I also go ahead to copy my dates into the box that follows underneath. Yes. Now I'm going to set this to fill, both in width and in height. Then I go ahead to duplicate. With this grid, I'm able to duplicate easily, and everything is all done in the same space and neatly. I'll click on the white dot outside my frame to select all the grid boxes on the second row. This is to reduce the height to fit the text. I also do the same for the first row. I noticed that my dates are really tiny and not visible enough. But before I do that, I would just be adding a different color to one of the boxes just for an extra effect. I'll go ahead to increase the text on the dates. I started with the first grid box, and I went ahead to increase the size of the dates of the number of the first box. I think this size is good enough. And I selected all the other rows underneath, and I replaced them with the first grid box. I also selected some of the boxes on the first row and replaced them. Yeah, I go ahead to also change all the dates. Yes, I'm also going back to change the color to orange, the pot day, just like it was before I changed it. I increased the size. Now we have a calendar, and with this grid system, it's very easy, quite responsive, I must say, and very easy to create. What do you think about the grid system? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and tell me what your favorite update is and the new FIGMA updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.